Dear students, today I will explain the simplest poem in your MCP textbook, Mystery of the Talking Fan, written by Maude Robin. This is a very light poem. There is nothing deep to get worried in this poem. It is a very light poem. And here the poet is beautifully capturing the movement of a very familiar object around us. And that is nothing but a ceiling fan. The poet is discussing about the movement of a ceiling fan, and he is telling that the sound made by a ceiling fan is somewhat like a human chatter. How the human beings are chattering, the same way the ceiling fan is also chattering. So very light poem, and now let's start the poem. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Is a fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. So here in this poem there is a fan, ceiling fan, and that fan used to make some sound. That is why the poet is calling the fan as a talking fan. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little reeling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So you might be knowing about the word friction. If there is a friction in any object, it will create sound. So we have to just lubricate it. Here in this poem we are having a fan, a talking fan, because it is making a sound, and his sound is like a electrical chatter. Electrical means related to electricity. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little reeling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So in the beginning, first two lines, we can see the fan is making sound. Okay, he is making electrical chatter. Chatter means talk, meaningless talk. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. The poet is telling that he was unable to understand what the fan was telling to him, and it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little reeling motor. Reeling means to rotate. Okay, somebody oiled the rotating motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Mystery means something secret. So till this time, the fan was telling something. The fan was talking something, chattering something. But after somebody oiled the fan, everything stopped. The mystery, his way of talking has stopped, and he is running as still as a water without creating any noise. He is just moving. So once again I will explain the poem. The writer is just comparing the fan with a human being who used to chatter a lot. So here we can see there is a poetic device, personification. Personification means we are giving a human quality to a non-human thing. It can be either a living thing, it can be a plant, it can be an animal, or it can be any non-living things. So here the quality of talking and chattering is being given to a non-living object, fan. So there in this poem we can see the poetic devices, personification. Okay, in this poem we are having one more familiar poetic device, that is simile. Simile means we are comparing two different objects with the help of the word like or as. Either will be using like or as. So in the last line you can see he ran as still as water. He means the ceiling fan. He is running still as water means ceiling fan is compared to water with the help of the word as. Then there the poetic device is simile. Okay, so two poetic devices, personification and simile. Next we can go to the rhyming pattern or rhyming scheme. First of all we have to take up the rhyming words. See, fan, is there any word that is having the sound N sound? No. Next one, chatter. Then said, matter, oiled, motor, spoiled, water. So chatter word is like matter, mortar and water. Then said, oiled, spoiled. These are rhyming together. So we can make the rhyming pattern as A, B, C, B, C, B, C, B. So this is the rhyming pattern of this poem. And the poet calls the fan's noise an electrical chatter. The poet is unable to comprehend what exactly it means, and before the poet could succeed in decoding the mystery, decoding means understanding the mystery, somebody oiled its motor. Ever since it's functioned in such a smooth manner that no noise could be heard, the talking fan fell silent. So after oiling the fan was completely silent. There is no more chatters. So this is all about the poem. It is a very light poem, and I hope you understand the essence of the poem. And the only thing you have to keep in mind, the poetic device used here is personification. Personification means giving a human quality to a non-human thing. It can be either a living thing or a non-living thing. Thank you.